straight.
phone.
It is a straight
I'm on the
no.
phone.
I don't care where you're the pan.
Alright guys, so from when I see the whole heap of movement here, when I know say I'm up to no good. So I get one of my loyal supporter in on a prank with me. That's a good. I get him to help me prank Jason. So I'm up on the phone with you, so we just go over everything and then we're going at it. So basically, yeah, me go call you and just check up on you and ask you how your son. That are the most important thing I have to mention the son. And you go tell me say I'm good, and then you go say, by the way, talking about son, you see, you can't say a new man or whosoever you want to say. Me see him there, what? Eh? Him now want hurt Jesse feelings. Say anything you're comfortable saying. Anything that's gonna make you feel uncomfortable, don't say that. Because basically, if you keep the prank running, I just see your son want Jason new game. And then me go do it and me tell him, say, babe, let him make game. Blah blah blah, because you're not really use the game just to get his reaction. So me go set up the camera, and then me go call you. I set up the camera and just go and wait. But when I ring you, just know we're going to go and talk about things, and then we're going to lead it to the son. So the thing is, I don't know if you're going to say borrow the game or give the game. Don't say give, because if I say give, then I'm not going to want to give him game. But if you say lend, we probably can get more all time with the word lend.
Yeah.
Alright then. So guys, Jason in the bathroom right now. So I go just go and set up and wait. I go speed it up if they for wait too long. But I could go in it. So basically, me and my ex talk, and we talk friendly though, because it's not about the ex, it's the ex-son. One Jason game. I wanna know I'm loving game. Jason love the game, gone to bed. So I go set up. No, me dey on my phone, babe. Me see you did a call, so me return your call. One. A long time. Me not hear from you. Master. No, that's your one. Oh, everybody. Oh, you there work?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, come here, hear your background. Oh, your son. Oh, me miss him. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Orlando, yes, babe?
Which one ain't perfect medicine things again?
Babe, me not anyone you want use.
No, the one is just kind of good.
Me have to come put you on fire.
I know.
Me not here. Where you there, so now? Mm-hmm. You still watch your videos? Wow. Oh, take time talk, you know what then. Eh? Fiancé?
Can't tell us already now.
No, you can't talk to no man. Where did I say? They said something about son. Yes, in there on PS4 for true. Yeah. No man, no. If I see a son, me know Jason now say no. Jason, come on. That's why me and him are talking. He now say no. Words of your son, but what me gonna do? Me know more than him or let him, but me now gonna just give him like that. What me gonna do? Me gonna ask him first.
Are you gonna think?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, try to respond game for him. Yeah. Yeah, but no, just winning him. That's not gonna be a problem. Mega ask him about it because me know him not say no. Especially when he come on to kids, him love kids. No man, yeah, watch out my life, man. Yeah, watch. No man, once I your son, never just me run it by him. So here what, give me some time because if anything, when you come on your side, I could have drop it off because I'm sure I'm gonna say yes. So me I come on your side probably about tomorrow evening. So me I go ask him and then say it back to you. Me soon call her back. Yeah. Babe, you know who that?
No, I don't know.
When I'm in long time.
Yo, excitement. Oh, if you on my phone with the exam, excited, so you would not go and subscribe if you happy, so. No, me over here say I excited, I come tell X say, yo, if I Jason. Let me rob the man. You don't understand you. Oh, you tell the man say, yo, Jason never say yes, kind of picking here. You not know who you talk to. Who if say yes to something we don't know.
That's high school. High school.
A remote telling them?
Just say, can I listen, let me run the idea by you.
Which idea? Shh.
Him have a son.
Yeah.
And his son watch your videos, him love you.
Big up.
And him see with the game, so him didn't wonder if you could have like lend him. Or did I say if you do hustling, you could have rent it.
We do what? Hustling?
That's a good idea, can rent it.
Yeah,
and the extra money.
Listen. We did talk about the idea with you a long time to say, eventually down the line, to, we might rent it or start a game shop. It be possible.
So you could have do it.
But, oh, you want to accept on phone talk about sitting with involve me, or make it accept me then?
Babe, I know your ex and my ex.
That I think, so if your ex a link you, make you let him if I your game. Is it your
But
game?
my husband game.
Yeah, but your husband not link. Listen, first thing first, babe, but let's not tell you this.
Babe, it's a child we're talking about.
Listen, I'm going to listen to what me I say. First thing first, this a game and not left this house. My best friend in front of me or back of me, all my friends them cannot borrow my game. I'm being honest. If this a game I play, I will play like this a house. This is one of them personal items that we value to myself because when me younger and everybody used to have them game and people used to stay with them game, I couldn't even get to play on them. I buy it for my recreational activities. You hear me I say? So first thing first, this not the next thing. But babe, it no matter if a Barack Obama's son, your ex, me don't know your ex, me don't know his son, me know Angela.
I know his son, he was my stepchild.
I know his son. No, I must ramp parenting. When you say it was you,
Who's my stepchild, babe?
no, just because I say Antenna, I'm son, make you talk about stepchild now.
Babe.
I was just a video now.
Babe, what are you talking about?
No, so you bring up post stepchild for now.
Babe, because me know how a little boy will carry it. Him just want to borrow
Yeah,
it.
me don't know nobody will carry it. It no matter who, it no matter if I person will make it game,
Oh,
me not let
God.
me game to nobody. Yo, come in, me ready. Me not let me game to nobody. G, I come to him go. It's my ex, my high school. Nobody don't give a free where you come from. Your ex, make your ex they link me then.
Why am I going to link if I'm ask me?
Yeah,
And I
ex.
check him out. Babe.
No, listen.
I'm on the
It
phone.
is
I'm
a
on the
straight,
phone.
it is a straight
I'm on the
no.
phone.
I don't care where you depend.
Okay.
It's a straight no. It's a straight no, G. That's a recreational nothing personal.
Hello?
Stuff, man. I didn't talk, G.
Yeah, me, sorry for text so long to call you, but me just asking him, say I'm going to think about it. Yeah. No worry yourself, trust me. When I say me have been Paul lucky enough, so if me say I get it, I get it. Alright then, later, kiss him for me. Yeah, later, love you.
You know, that's your blade.
Yeah.
Just ask you one question. And the disrespect give me one play because me is a person with high and respect and I'm very doubly high for disrespect, you know. So I talk about you have the head for like say anything where you say, you know, just give me some manal in my game.
Babe, I'm not testing.
Manal, come back to me and tell me some manal in some game. Come back to me and tell me some
I'm
manal.
lotion my
Let
skin.
me tell you something, Yanja.
My name Angel.
No, let me tell you something, my girl. You see, if I say something, I'm not going to repeat myself. I'm not going to pick it and I'm not going to repeat myself to nobody we are adult. You hear me I say? I say I'm not let it. In front of me, back of me, I could have me talking
It's
person.
not the next year.
I don't give a shit. Who you lending? I say nah, left the house. Me just say my best friends them can't borrow it, so house man don't know some to borrow it. Bro, me not run a charity, you know. You better tell me if you go buy one, you know. As a matter of fact, why you don't buy one gears? Your ex-son. Are you buying it? Are you buying me? If you did buy me, you say, babe, you know what, this is a gift from me to you, then you could have considered that this is my personal thing, babe. Let me TV then. Let me TV
We're
then.
going to play a game, man.
Exactly. When you go play a game when you're not there?
Why am I telling you hard?
No, why you not man, fam.
Yeah, man.
No, you know what? No, you know what, yeah. You know what? I know enough people who want a little starter back to start a channel. Lend me your phone, maybe lend one of my ex.
Because I this one, I really miss him. God knows. I tell you. Hello? Look at the man's face. It's a prank. 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 It's a prank.
Yo,
It's a prank. It's a prank.
I'm going to listen today. I'm going to sit down. You know
It's a
what?
prank.
I want different
I want
JC.
to get support.
I say I want different JC that go see the quiet.
You remember Ricardo? We get supporter.
I'm not see this.
You're not going to see him.
Not see this. Ricardo, which Ricardo? Look
If
from here
I was
though.
coming from the videos.
Ricardo what? Wait, this a Ricardo. What picture? Which? You have one picture on him DP?
Yes. Babe, everybody have one picture on him.
No, I know the Ricardo. I always a comment more than one time.
Yes, like you.
I think this a.
Yes.
So you plan to put together with your foolishness. No.
Thank you so much.
No, I'm tell you still look. I'm a kind of my supporter still before you, you know.
Yes, I'm a your supporter first, but
You know, you see all the Tande influencer, you see what she look bad? Alright.
You know your green shirt.
In better not wear it.
Thank you
You vex
so
the
much.
boy,
You did a good job. I'm nervous, you know? You did nervous.
so you free the camera there.
Then I know if you go away camera there.
When
One.
I say anytime I come in here and sit down to them and hold on to them.
But you have to say I love you for trigger before I'm done. What? But we're going on the road, man.
Yo, as a matter of fact, you're not getting none of my supper journey to you.
No bother with it, no bother with it. Later, your thanks here. Babe,
I see the two cars, I say I know who exactly.
yeah, me know say you know who you probably just now pick him up.
No, me not. The face kind of fuck me up, but my first Ricardo, he come in wholly.
Later. Yeah. You
Yo,
come here
if
all
I
the
didn't want
time.
to babe, I expect you to do.
No! Oh God, dear, come on.
Yeah, but me know what
Me
exactly.
know.
I can't look for you come in right now.
Me know, none of my ex them.
Yo, I say anytime I go in there, I go sit down to the whole of meds. If I come back out, John, I pack up in there. I pack up and go on business.
You know the funniest thing? Me literally lose all of my ex them number. And some of them, me and them not end on bad term. And me lose it. What my bag? So guys, this is the end of my video. Me not know for some strange reason, me enjoy the prank. Out of every prank I ever do, me feel like that 1 year, I don't know, probably because one of my supporter in there. But big up yourself, Ricardo. He's a loyal supporter. When me tell you, him been a support Jason, and then him just come and support me. And him support all the week. Me not only see him on the few comment section, me see him on the everybody comment section. And we really appreciate you. Thank you so much, Ricardo. But I really enjoyed that video. If you enjoy it, comment and let me know and give me a thumbs up. Share the video, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 100K. We're up on the road. I'm here burn up in the house. So later, guys.